Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with More Than Insurance Review My Usage Experience. More Than Insurance Review My Usage Experience offers independent reviews and comparisons of various insurance providers. Its main purpose is to help consumers find the best insurance policy for their needs by providing unbiased information and ratings. The target audience is anyone looking to purchase or switch insurance providers, whether it's car, home, health, or other types of insurance. Key features likely include comparison tools, provider ratings, and detailed policy information. Their website provides details on their review methodology and the range of insurance types they cover. A key benefit is the time saved by consolidating information from multiple insurance companies into one place. The site aims for pricing transparency, highlighting policy costs and terms upfront. They emphasize independent reviews, stating they are not affiliated with any specific insurance company. Availability is nationwide, accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using More Than Insurance Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply navigated to their website and entered my basic information, location, type of insurance needed, and desired coverage level. The interface was intuitive and well organized. I particularly like the clear filters and sorting options, allowing me to easily compare policies based on price, coverage, and customer reviews. The results were presented in a concise and easy-to-understand format. I found the detailed policy breakdowns incredibly useful, allowing me to make informed comparisons. I had a quick question about their rating system and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was perfectly acceptable. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the information was. The standout feature for me was definitely the side-by-side comparison tool. One minor drawback was the slightly dated look of the website. A visual refresh would improve the user experience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with More Than Insurance Review My Usage Experience. It significantly simplified the process of finding suitable insurance options. That's my overview of More Than Insurance Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.